I'm excited. Do you know why I'm excited? You know why I'm excited. You know why. Look what's behind me. Heavy machinery. Today is another day I get to be on a piece of heavy machinery. We are renting this from our contractor because we have a little more work that we want to do here in the yard. Let me show you what we're thinking. Right now, as you know, we have this circle drive around here, but what we want to do is clear out all this crap that's in the middle and build like a little courtyard area. And the previous owner built this seat that's like half complete. He never finished it, and we don't really want that. All that stuff. This is where that old mesquite was right there, if you remember. We want all that crap gone. All of this needs to be moved somewhere. We think we're gonna put it back there somewhere. So then this entire area will be completely level and for the most part clear. And then we're gonna bring in a bunch of gravel and gravel this entire front yard here, and then build our little courtyard with maybe sandstone or flagstone or something right in the middle, and basically recreate that space right there, just much nicer. And to do that, well, we certainly don't want to do that by hand or by wheelbarrow. So we got the tractor out from our contractor. He was nice enough to let us borrow it. And we're going to do this, at least I'm going to do this the best I can, on the tractor. And you know I never pass up the opportunity to get on a piece of heavy machinery. It's about 8 a.m. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 40s right now. It's a good temperature, a little cool, but let's see what we can do. All right, we came back here to take a look, and I think we're gonna put the rocks right here, which is plenty of distance from the house, and our view is out that way primarily, so we wanna make sure that the rocks are back far enough where we don't have to look at them, because it's just gonna be a bunch of junk. So I think this is it. And Courtney's gonna move all those lights we have around the courtyard, and I'm gonna start this baby up. Okay, I think it's time for a before and after. Well, you already saw the before, so there you go. And this is the after. As you can see, I still need a lot of help leveling all of this, but that's what our contractor is going to come out and help with. But I got the large majority of the rocks out of here, a lot of the big stuff. There is a ton of crap in this thing, but I think for a novice, I think I did a pretty okay job. Yeah, you heard that right. Pretty okay. And my hope is once all this is smooth, it's gonna look pretty much like the rest of this area here, and then we'll just gravel over it and then make our courtyard right here in the middle. But the old owner, the previous owner, had some of this weed barrier down. As you can see, it was tearing up in places. I don't know if we even have to take that up, but not bad, not bad. And while we have that tractor, we are going to take out that pole and that pole. And what we're gonna do here is, our only complaint is that gate is very narrow. And when we have RV friends come and stay with us, and even us with our Airstream, it's really tight getting in that gate. So we're gonna double the size of the gate. So you have a nice, easy entrance into the property. And we're gonna widen it this way. So to go out to almost the property line, and all this will be entrance in. Pretty cool, huh?
Yep, that'll make things much easier. It's also right directly across from that road, so we still have a straight shot if we want it.
Yeah, we really lucked out that that road's right there. Otherwise, we could not get the
No, the
Airstream
Airstream
into
wouldn't be
our own property.
No, not with the gate this narrow. But with the wider gate, probably could, even without the road.
This is an interesting juxtaposition, isn't it? I have my wool, or yeah, I guess it's wool. Is this wool?
Yeah.
Is this wool? I have my wool beanie on because it's cold, but I also have my shades on because it's bright and sunny. Yeah. It's been a couple days. We have some nice progress. I wanted to wait to record the rest of this video until more stuff is done. But I think with the timing of everything, it's going to be next week before we make more progress here at the house. But we've already made a lot of progress. Let me show you. With the help of our contractor, we have all this leveled for the most part. All that crap in the middle is now gone. This, as I've said before, is going to be our courtyard. We're going to start working on that probably later next week, but we might do a little outlining of where we want things to go and all that good stuff today. Right?
We'll order the gravel, so we need to know how much square footage we need.
We need to order the gravel as well. And we also have a completed gate renovation down here. Like I said, our main problem with the gate was it's too narrow, so we could not get the Airstream in. So our solution was a larger gate, but we also pulled the gate in from the road a little bit to give us even more of a, space to turn. And here we are. See, the road is right here, so we pulled the gate back to this spot. This pole is new, that pole is new. This pole we took out of the ground from up there with the help of our contractor's tractor, and now we have all this room here to swing wide with our trailer and pull in to our new 16-foot gate. Isn't that right, Penny? I like this gate so much better because it's easier to open and close anyway. We have that little latch there. It just kind of snaps into place. The old one, we had to tie chains around it and lock them together so the gate wouldn't swing open. This one, we don't have to worry about that. So that's good. That's good. Any parting words of wisdom? Before I end the video?
Gates are cool.
Gates are cool? All right.
Live your joy.
Live your joy. Excellent. Excellent. By the way, we're dog sitting again. If you don't recognize this dog, I don't blame you. Oh, that's great. Penny's doing her business. I timed that well. Okay, that's it. We'll see you in the next video. It'll probably be about the courtyard and doing some of the landscaping in the front, building that up to the party entertainment space that we want it to be. Because we're partiers, We're partiers, I tell you. Not really.
That's why we live in the middle of nowhere.
That's why we live in the middle of nowhere, where we don't see people for days.